Hello and welcome back to part 6 of designing a Scalextric car with me, the Onteacher. So the next part we're going to look at is actually removing the wheel arches. So we've got the cutouts for the wheels to go in. So this is quite a short and easy step, and we can make use of just using the extrude feature again. So we press extrude, that was the left mouse button, it should have highlighted in red, and there's the right mouse button there in blue. So I'm going to call this wheel arches, and I'm going to click one surface and then the other, and straight away you'll see they're both sticking out. So what we want to do is press remove opposite direction, and press the tick. Now I made a slight mistake, I didn't go deep enough. It's easily fixable. We click on wheel arches, it was 25, if I change that to 30 it's going to tick and it's going to go all the way through, and we can see we've removed the wheel arches there. Now just to tidy up the car, time we're doing this, we're also going to use the fillet tool again, and I'm going to click on this bottom edge here, and I'm going to put on a 2.5 fillet. On there, I'm going to do the same on this edge here, and I'm going to do the same on the hole. Oh, sorry, didn't like that one. So that, if I just show you, something came up in red on the list, so I'm just going to delete that, press the tick, and then normally if you go back into it the second time round, it works. So I might just need to try and put one. There we go. So just doing a separate revolves allowed it all to work. Now that took us 2 minutes to do the wheel arches. There might be some refining of them when we come to add the chassis, but we can do that at that point. The last thing I'm going to do is just add a make connector. So I'm going to click make connector. I'm going to go all the way up on my list to origin and press tick. That's just going to help us when we come to align this all together in the assembly. But for now, that was part 6. That was your wheel arches. I've been the Onteacher. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and certainly sign up for Scalextric4Schools. It's going to improve your CAD skills no end. Thanks again for watching.